Ever find yourself standing over a hot stove on a Tuesday night, desperately cutting into a chicken breast just to see if it's actually cooked through? Welcome back. If you're ready to officially retire the guesswork and bring that authentic, smoky outdoor barbecue flavor right onto your kitchen counter, you need to see what the Ninja Foodi Smart XL grill can do. This isn't just another air fryer. It's a high-heat searing machine that basically acts as a professional chef for your kitchen. The real magic here is the Smart Cook system. It comes with a leave-in Foodi Smart probe that continuously monitors the internal temperature of your meat. You simply select your protein and your desired doneness, from a perfect rare to a safe well done, and the grill literally tells you exactly when to take it off and let it rest. No more dried chicken, no more gray steaks. It uses 500 degrees Fahrenheit cyclonic grilling technology, blasting hot air all around your food to give you those deep, charred grill marks and that juicy, tender interior that you usually only get from a high-end steakhouse. And because it's the XL version, it's a total beast for families or meal prepping. The grill grate is big enough to fit 6 steaks or 24 hot dogs all at once, and the included 4-quart crisper basket lets you air fry up to 2 pounds of fries with 75% less fat than deep frying. It's a true 6-in-1 powerhouse. It can air fry, roast, bake, broil, and even dehydrate. Plus, Ninja engineered this with a clever smoke control system, so you can get that high heat sear without setting off every fire alarm in your house. When you're done, the grill grate, crisper basket, and cooking pot are all dishwasher safe, making the cleanup just as effortless as the cooking. Whether you're an apartment dweller who misses their backyard grill or a busy parent who needs a set-it-and-forget-it solution for dinner, the Ninja Foodi Smart XL delivers professional-level results every single night. It's fast, it's versatile, and it's arguably the smartest appliance you'll ever put on your counter. Click the link below for the best price and start grilling like a pro today. If this review helped you find your next kitchen obsession, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the gear that actually makes life easier. See you in the next one.